Home remedies for chest pain. Chest pain is one of the most common complaints that make people visit the emergency department. Chest pain caused by reduced blood flow to the heart is known as angina pectoris or simply angina. People describe it as a feeling of tightness, squeezing, heaviness, burning and pressure behind the breastbone. Here are the top 10 home remedies for chest pain. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most effective home remedies for chest pain. Regular consumption of garlic can prevent and delay cardiovascular disease. It can lower high cholesterol and prevent plaque buildup on the arterial walls, which in turn improves the flow of oxygen-rich blood to your heart. Ginger. Ginger is another proven home remedy for chest pain. Gingerol, a chemical compound in ginger, helps reduce cholesterol levels. Being an antioxidant, it also protects the blood vessels from damage from cholesterol. Turmeric. Turmeric is also recommended to treat chest pain. Its active ingredient called curcumin helps reduce cholesterol oxidation, plaque buildup, and clot formation. Plus, its anti-inflammatory property helps relieve pain in the chest. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper can provide relief from chest pain. It contains a high concentration of capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It also works as a blood regulator to help restore blood flow to the heart. Basil. Basil is also a good home remedy for chest pain. The magnesium in basil promotes blood flow by aiding the heart and blood vessels to relax. Plus, the antioxidant vitamin A in basil prevents the buildup of cholesterol in the blood vessel walls. Alfalfa. Alfalfa is effective in reducing chest pain as it helps reduce cholesterol levels and plaque buildup and ensure smooth blood flow toward the heart. It has a good amount of chlorophyll that helps soften arteries and reduce the incidence of cardiac chest pain. Fenugreek. According to Ayurveda, fenugreek can promote cardiovascular health and prevent angina. Its antioxidant and cardioprotective properties reduce cholesterol and promote blood flow to the heart. Almonds. Almonds are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids that can reduce blood cholesterol and promote heart health. Being rich in plant sterols, fiber, and magnesium, they help lower total cholesterol and prevent future angina attacks. Omega-3 fatty acids. If you have a heart disease, high cholesterol, or a family history of heart problems, then you need to increase your intake of foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fatty acids help lower triglycerides, fats in the blood, and prevent angina. Plus, due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3 fats have a profound effect on heart health.